In this video, I'm going to be giving you 3 reasons why you should not quit your job as someone that wants to start forex trading or you are yet to become a profitable forex trader. Reason number one is financial stability, and this financial stability, I'm going to be explaining it in 3 ways for you. The number one is income stream. You need a stable income stream. This is what is going to help you to pay your daily expenses. You should not start trading and think that, okay, money you're making from trading should be the one to pay your daily expenses. All right. And then reason number two under financial stability is risk management. Okay, forex trading comes with a high level of risk, and for you to be able to maintain that balance in your trading, okay, because when you leave your job to start trading, okay, forex, you are going to be leaving yourself in financial uncertainty. And if you use the money you save from your job to start forex trading, what will happen when you lose everything? So you need a risk management plan, and this is what is going to help you to stay at the top if you are starting forex trading while you have a job. Okay, under this financial stability, the number three reason you need trading capital. Okay, now because you have a job, you should be able to separate your trading capital from the money you're making as a salary. Okay, because now if you don't have this risk management plan towards the money you have, you will see that there are some times you will take losses in the market, and because you don't have any backup plan, all the money you save from your work, because you have quit your job, you are going to push other money into your trading. And what will happen if you lose it? You start from square zero. But because you have a job, okay, because you are having something you are relying on, if you lose that money you are using because of your risk management plan, you know that okay, money is coming from somewhere tomorrow. So this is what you need financial stability for, and this is the reason why you should not quit your job as a trader that is yet to become profitable. So reason number two is you need emotional stability. In this emotional stability, I'm going to be breaking it down in 3 steps for you, which is step number one is reduce stress. Okay, forex trading demand a high level of is emotionally demanding. Like there's a way that you take losses on time, you feel like crying, like you don't know, you feel like let the ground to swallow you. And this is a lot of things that is going to happen to you when you don't have something you can rely back on. Because as a trader, losses is not inevitable. Losses is not something that you can dodge. And imagine you as a trader, it's going to hit you more deep. So because you have a job that you can always run to, and you know that money is coming from somewhere, this is what is going to help you. Okay, having a job is going to help you to reduce that stress, that emotional stage in your trading. Okay, and secondly, objectivity. What do I mean by objectivity? Simply because you have a job that you are doing, okay, you don't take anyhow trading decision in the market, because you might be trading anyhow just because okay, you need to meet up some stuff, you need to buy food stuff for your house, you need to pay for something. Now because of the money you have in your account, you are not seeing a valid setup, or you have not even gone through that learning and studying phase of trading. You carry the whole of the money and dish into the market, and instead of you to make money from the market, because you have made anyhow decision, you are not making a concrete decision to take that trade, you will see that you will lose that money. And this is going to help you, this is not going to help you in a lot of ways. This has happened to me a lot of time. There's sometimes I want to get something, I want to help somebody to pay a bill, and the little money I have, instead of me to just give the money to the person, I will use that money and trade, and at the end of the day I will lose everything. So because you have a job, it helps you to maintain that objectivity in your trading career as a beginner. Okay, and the third reason under this emotional stability is mental well-being. Okay, now because you have a job that you are doing, you're always relying on your mental focus is going to be very, very okay. You're not going to be so stressed, you're not going to be so focused on making that instant gratification from trading. And this is what is going to help you to maintain that balance until you become profitable. If you are still watching to this point, do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to your friends and loved ones, and drop a comment in the comment section. The number three reason is learning and development, and I'm going to be breaking it down into 3 major ways. Okay, number one is time to learn. Because you have a job, okay, you're going to develop time to learn forex and develop that your trading skills, instead of relying to make money immediately from trading, which is not going to be very possible for you, because you relying to make money immediately is what is going to make your journey to be so slow, because you are going to be losing money, and because of you lose money and you want to make money immediately, you don't have that time to develop your trading skills. Okay, and secondly is testing strategy. Okay, in your learning process, you need to test the strategy, you need to know what is working for you, you need to learn, you need to study and refine that strategies in that point. Okay, But because that this is going to only be possible if you have a job that, okay, even though trading is not paying you yet, you're going to be making money from your work, the job that is giving you money at the moment. And this is what is going to help you to give you that time to learn, okay, refine your strategy. Because if you don't have a job that you're doing and you're losing everything, when you lose all your money, which is game over in trading, you are not going to have that energy, that momentum that, okay, I want to learn this thing, I want to refine it to my trading uh, strategy that suits me. And thirdly is avoiding burnout, because you have it it's, because you have a job that is paying you. You're not going to be over stressed about trading. Okay, there's sometimes you take a break. While you take a break, there's always going to be money for you that you're going to use to take care of your basic needs, which means you're not going to be relying so much on trading to make money. Because when you rely so much and every of your life is revolved around trading, while you're not profitable yet and you're a beginner, this is going to make you not to even make any money from trading but lose everything to it. So in summary of all of this, you putting your job to start learning forex trading is going to lead you to financial instability, emotional disbalance, and also going to hinder you from learning forex very well the way you want, the way to the point where you perfect it, because along the line you will give up. So as a trader or someone that want to learn how to trade forex, I will advise you have something that is paying you, a side hustle. If you don't have one already, you should look for one. If you have one already, stick to it until you get to that level of profitability in your forex trading. And when you have perfect that skill, this is going to help you a lot before you get to that level. If you ask a lot of mentors this story, they are going to tell you they have something that is giving them money before forex. You can't just from 0 to 100 in forex, because you are going to be emotionally burn out, you are going to be psychologically burn out, and you are going to give up on trading. So for you to reach that level, you need a financial stability to help you to get there. And this is going to help you to get to that level in your forex trading. I'll see you on the next one. My name is Vetus.